everyone, I'm Max the Math Horse. In this lesson, we'll learn how to round whole numbers and decimal numbers. We'll use the number line and rounding rules to help us rounding numbers. Rounding means to change a number so that it is easier to work with or add, subtract, multiply, and divide. To round a number, we see what number it is closest to on a number line. Remember that a number line is a graph that represents all numbers. Let's try rounding the number 37 to the nearest 10 using the number line. That means we want to find the 10 that 37 is closest to. The whole number 37 comes between 30 and 40 on the number line, so those are the two closest tenths. Notice that 37 is actually closer to 40 than it is to 30, so 37 rounds to 40. In fact, any number between 30 and 40 that is bigger than 35 is going to be closer to 40 or round to 40. Any number that is smaller than 35 is going to be closer to 30 or round to 30. You may be wondering about the number 35. It's exactly in between 30 and 40. So, which one does it round to? The rule is that if a number is exactly in the middle, it rounds up. Let's try another example. This time, we'll round a decimal number to the nearest one. We can actually round numbers to any place value. Here are the steps for rounding whole numbers. And decimals, first, locate the place value in the number that you are rounding to. Example, round 3,000 to 181 to the nearest hundred. The 2 is in the hundredths place. Second step, look at the digit to the right of the place you are rounding to. Notice that the 8 is to the right of the hundredths place. If the digit to the right is 5 or larger, change the underlying digit to 1 higher. If the digit to the right is less than 5, keep the underlying digit the same. The digit to the right, 8, is larger than 5, so we'll change the underlying digit from 2 to 3. The rest of the digits to the right of the underlying digit are changed to zeros. Change number 8 and number 1 to zeros. So, rounded to the nearest hundred, 3,000 to 181 is 3,300. Next example, round 583.412 or 583 and 412 thousandths to the nearest tenth. Here's the solution. Step 1, the number 4 is in the tenths place. Step 2, the number 1 is to the right of the tenths place. Step 3, number 1 is less than 5, so keep number 4 the same. Step 4, change the digits to the right of the tenths place to zeros. Rounded to the nearest tenth, 583.412 is 583.4. This might help. Remember that zeros can be written at the end of a decimal number without changing the value. Zeros can also be removed from the end of a decimal number without changing the value. So 583.400 is the same as 583.4. Remember, this only works for decimal numbers with zeros after the decimal point. One thing to keep in mind is that the larger the place value we round to, the less exact the rounded number is. For example, if we had rounded to the thousandths place instead of to the hundredths place, our number would have been more exact. Rounding to a smaller place value gives you a much closer amount. Make sure that you understand the main points of this lesson. 1. Rounding is a way to change numbers so that they are easier to work with. 2. Numbers can be rounded to any place value in the number. Numbers can be rounded using the number line or the rounding rules. 3. Zeros can be removed from the end of a decimal number without changing the value of the number. Yeehaw, Math Explorers! Today we learned how to round numbers like true math champs. Remember, if the digit is 5 or more, we round up. And if it's less than 5, we keep it the same. Easy as trotting down the barn trail. I'm proud of you for sharpening your math skills today. If you had fun learning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Brainy Barn adventure. See you next time, where learning is always a galloping good time.